Welcome to Short Courses. Today, on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, let's see symbolism and significance of Ganesha. As per Hindu mythology, Ganesh is the son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. Ganesh means Lord of all Ganas. Lord Ganesha's large ears represents importance of listening. Lord Ganesha's ability to listen more and the ability to hear the prayers and troubles of the devotees. Lord Ganesha's big head represents Think Big, which symbolizes wisdom, knowledge, intelligence, clear thinking. Also indicates fidelity and discriminating power. Lord Ganesha's small eyes represents importance of concentration. Ganesha's tiny eyes symbolize the importance of concentration and attention. Lord Ganesha's small mouth represents talk less. The key feature of concentration is listen more and talk less. Lord Ganesha's large trunk represents high efficiency and adaptability, which means that there is no straight path to success. Be flexible and adaptable to achieve it. Lord Ganesha's large stomach represents generosity and total acceptance. Peacefully digest all good and bad in life. Ganesha's large tummy symbolizes the ability to digest all that life has to offer: good, bad, ugly, evil, pain, suffering, happiness. Lord Ganesha's mouse represents our desire. Lord Ganesha's vehicle, his mouse bowing down close to him, indicates that the little desire is good, but mastery of over desires is essential. It says to ride your desires. Lord Ganesha's modak in hand represents rewards of sadhana, which symbolize the abundant love, goodwill and boon that Lord Ganesh has and all the good things that he can offer to his devotees. Lord Ganesha's axe in hand represents to cut all the bonds of attachments. Lord Ganesh holds the elephant goad, his fierce weapon, to remove obstacles from the path of his devotees. Lord Ganesha's rope in hand represents to pull you nearer to the highest goal. The rope symbolizes his gentle restraint of the mind, so that his devotees are pulled closer to the spiritual path. Lord Ganesha's one tusk signifies one-pointedness. Retain positive and throw away negative. The single tusk indicates Lord Ganesh's ability to overcome all forms of dualism. Lord Ganesha's four arms represents four inner attributes of the body. The four attributes are mind, intellect, ego, and conditioned conscience. Lord Ganesh represents the pure consciousness which enables these four attributes to function in us. Lord Ganesha's forehead, the Trishul, symbolizing time, past, present and future. Thank you for watching. If you know more about Lord Ganesha, then write and comment. Have a great day.